my name is Rizqi Nugraheni Putri. I'm from Indonesia. On this occasion, I would like to tell about my interest in being a participant in the 2025 YSEALI regional workshop. I'm so passionate in the field of education, and as a tutor, I found there are many students who learn English at schools and at courses still cannot speak English confidently. It happens because they don't have partners to speak English daily and they are afraid of being mistaken. So, when AI comes, I believe it can be an alternative solution to solve this problem. I hope I can be a part of this workshop, then I can get more knowledge about AI from the experts. Then when I come back to Indonesia, I can introduce it to my students and apply it in learning English. I hope start from the smart environment, it can make a big impact. Thank you.